What's up, guys? So today we are trying to get my never-ending tool situation in order. Sitting here in my old business, County Mountain Battery. I've got a bunch of tools up here I got to grab this morning. Got some tables I'm going to grab to organize everything on, and then me and JD are headed down to our shop. I've got all my dad's old tools in his toolbox I got to do something with. I got my tools, gonna pile them all out, try to make the best of two toolboxes, I guess. Jeremy's been on to me for a while to get it done. You saw in his videos I don't do real well with storing tools, so he got a new cart and he moved his toolbox over here the other night. So we're trying to just get everything in order so we have multiples of what we need to work on stuff with, and we know where it's at. We've all got more tools than we could ever use. It's just getting them all in one spot. So that's what today's video is going to be about, is getting things organized and hopefully getting our shop one step closer to where it needs to be. Alright, so we've got my old toolbox and my overflow box, and then this was my dad's toolbox, which is just piled full of junk. So the plan is to use this one, since it was my dad's, for the main box, and then this one for like some kits and boxes of stuff. And like I've already got, wrong door, down here. And then this one, third one, will just be kind of overflow. So we're gonna pile it out on the tables and hopefully organize it and not make a huge mess. Can you say that again for the camera?
I was just wondering if you cleaning up your tools is going to be one of your typical endeavors where you try to help, but then you make things worse than they were before. It was just a question. Are you going to talk to the camera or just look at it?
Check back later for updates.
If we're both still here.
So I think I have a plan. So, making a couple sets of sockets, and this is my deep stuff, and then extra sets. I'm gonna have 3 sets of sockets basically, and then these I'm gonna take to the upper shop, put the toolbox up there for extras up there, and then these big ones I'm gonna put my impact stuff on. And then over here we got wrenches. Yeah, it took us an hour to do that, so we'll get there eventually. Well, it's another Saturday. It is raining and miserable. We had an event to go to today, but we bailed out because of the rain. So, heading to the shop, slept in a little bit, and then head down and try to jump on the tools and get them finished up. Hopefully, put in a day's work and get them knocked out for the most part and cleaned up. We got a lot of shop work to do. We got to get the Project Flip Top Fox on the lift, see what's up with it. Gonna finish the tracker up. Working on the Toyota, gonna get it done. And tons of stuff to line up. It's gonna be a busy winter project wise, so gotta get these tools in order. Jeremy's about got his stuff going. I gotta finish mine up before he kills me, because I've got tables strewn everywhere. So let's see what we can get done today. Got me some light going on. Picked this up at Walmart. The LED lamp, figured it'd be good to go on top of one of the toolboxes when I get done with this, but no more squinting to see socket sizes. Yay. So here's our squirrel sidetrack moment of the morning. Trying to need a little music, so it's been a long time since the Intimidator's played down here. Fired her up. One of my dad's mini jukeboxes. We're gonna be doing some videos on them later, but this is a AMI for Plays Records. Let this thing forever, man. So cool to see it lighting up and playing. Of course it works. Hopefully my selection won't get us copyright pinged here. I think this is a local record. Let's see what we got. Gotta warm the speakers up a little bit. Anyway, Getting warmed up in a minute playing. Just wanted to share real quick. Do my eyes look crossed? Because they feel crossed. I have sorted sockets forever. And I'm still not done. But got almost the top of this box cleared off. About to just pile this stuff in a box and go through it later. It's just mostly duplicates. Making my duplicate stack over there. But got the top drawer cleaned out. About to put the sockets that are staying here and there. And then, yeah. Still lots more to go. Ooh. Ignore that. Ah. Ooh. Progress. Alright, so I'm down to one table. Just some random stuff I gotta put up. For the most part, project tools are done. So we're gonna put a wrap on this video. Got everything in the main box. It's amazing you have so much stuff and how many sockets you're still missing. So I gotta fill some of those in. Drawer just got some personal stuff. Standard wrenches. Metric wrenches, missing a few. Random wrenches, you know, I started to throw some of this stuff away, like this one. But I thought, you know, at some point, somebody, my dad, has cut that in half for a reason. And who knows if I run into that reason again. So why trash it? So just found some weird wrenches there. Some spare sockets, torque wrenches. My big wrenches. Battery tester, old school one. Drawer for big stuff. Phillips head. Flathead. My ratchets and stuff. Gotta get some more of those. This box is kind of still in disarray. It's got a lot of my heavy duty 3/4 drive, big impact stuff that I'll never ever use. So I'm still gonna organize it a little bit. Hammers in there. And then over here in the Husky box, got room. That makes me sad. That means we need more tools. Pliers, nut drivers, specialty pliers, some more pliers, bicycle grips, bits, one size fits all, spare wrenches, standard, metric, lights, air tools, drills, various kits of stuff. There's some taps and dies and a couple extra socket sets in case I need to grab one to go. Gear ratchet set that's never been opened. Rivet gun, just all kinds of random stuff and kits. So that's all down here. I'll take you up in the upper shop and show you the snap-on box I put together. Jeremy's still working on his. Looks like he was talking crap, saying that I'd never get it done, but it looks like he's never going to get his done. So, but look for that video later. So be sure you've got that subscribe button hit. We're going to walk in the upper shop and show you that. Then we'll put a wrap on this baby. So this was my dad's 50th anniversary Corvette snap-on box. Forever it's set in the box. He decided, hey, we want to display it. I decided, hey, we're going to use it. We're never going to sell it. I'm not really working out of it every day, so it's not going to get too scratched up. But I wanted something up here in the upper shop. So if I needed some tools, I had them. I felt like that's the biggest screw up with my tools and getting stuff left is pulling stuff from down there, bringing it up here. Really haven't got started good on this one yet, but just trying to keep some basic stuff in here. Oop, lots of empty drawers. Some basic stuff. Just so, you know, I'm not doing anything that's really crazy mechanical unless it's just broke down. A bunch of sockets for here. It's going to the bottom shop, so I wanted something up here just to have a few basic kind of clean tools, so to speak. You know, if I'm working on some interior parts or just doing some little projects, nice to have something up here to grab on. So 50th anniversary Corvette snap-on. Pretty cool little box. That's going to be it for this video, folks. So be sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully we'll put these tools to use this winter and make some more content for you. Y'all be pretty. So this is a maybe one-day project for tools. Got all these cool old Blackhawk tool bars my dad got from his parts store years ago, hung up here. I thought it would be cool to have, you know, the stuff hanging on these to use. But it's kind of a big undertaking. I don't know if it ever really makes sense to do or not. And then down here, remember the 50th anniversary box? Here's a 40, never out of the box. Kind of want to get it out and display it eventually, maybe. So stay tuned for a future episode. More tools.